Hello friends, is your brake light not turning on, or is your cruise control suddenly shutting off? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0572, this means the brake switch circuit has low voltage. This issue can cause safety problems, prevent your car from shifting out of park, and even make it hard to start the engine. So what causes it, where is the sensor located, and how do you fix it? Let's break it down. What is P0572? The P0572 code stands for brake switch A circuit low. Your brake pedal position switch is a small but essential component that turns on your brake lights when you press the pedal, sends a signal to the ECU for features like cruise control and push-button start. If the voltage in this circuit drops too low, the ECU won't detect your brake pedal input properly, causing issues with braking systems and shifting gears. Common symptoms of P0572. Brake lights not turning on, cruise control doesn't work or shuts off unexpectedly. Car won't shift out of park, in automatic transmissions. Check engine light, CL, is on, traction control or ABS warning lights may appear. If you're facing these problems, let's locate the faulty component. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0572, check these key components. Brake pedal position switch, brake light switch. Location: mounted right above the brake pedal, near the firewall under the dashboard. This switch detects when you press the brake pedal and sends a signal to the ECU. Fuse box, brake light fuse and cruise control fuse. Location: under the dashboard, driver's side, or in the engine bay. A blown fuse can prevent the brake switch from working properly. Brake light wiring and connectors. Location: running from the brake pedal switch to the tail lights and ECU. A loose, corroded, or damaged wire can cause low voltage in the brake circuit. ECU, engine control unit. Location: usually in the engine bay or behind the glove box. Processes the brake switch signal for safety and transmission functions. Common causes of P0572 faulty brake pedal position switch. The switch may be worn out or stuck, blown brake light fuse. A burnt fuse can cause a low voltage issue in the brake circuit. Wiring issues, loose, broken, or corroded wires between the brake switch and ECU. Low battery voltage. A weak or failing battery can affect circuit voltage. ECU malfunction, rare. If all other components are working, the ECU could be faulty. How to fix P0572? Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0572, and check for related codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake pedal position switch under the dashboard. If it's faulty, replace it. Step 3. Check the brake lights. If they're not turning on, the switch or wiring may be bad. Step 4. Test the fuses in the fuse box and replace any blown ones. Step 5. Check wiring and connectors near the brake pedal and fuse box for damage. Step 6. Measure battery voltage. If low, charge or replace the battery. Step 7. Reset the ECU and test the brake switch after repairs. Ignoring P0572 can create safety risks, like non-functional brake lights or cruise control malfunctions. Fixing it early will keep your car running safely and smoothly. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0390, camshaft position sensor B circuit low. P0391, camshaft position sensor B circuit intermittent. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.